The 1924 Hispano-Suiza H6C Tulipwood Torpedo is one of the most remarkable and visually arresting cars ever built. Commissioned by French racing driver and aviation enthusiast André Dubonnet, it was created with the intent to be both a high-performance machine and a bold artistic statement. This one-off vehicle combined the technical prowess of Marc Burkigt, Hispano-Suiza's chief engineer, with the unconventional craftsmanship of the Newport Astra Aircraft Company. The H6C chassis, introduced in 1924, was the most powerful model in the Hispano-Suiza lineup at the time. It was powered by an 8.0-liter inline-six engine, producing around 195 horsepower, derived directly from the company's successful World War I aircraft V8 engines. The aluminum block and single overhead camshaft made it lightweight and reliable. The car also featured advanced servo-assisted four-wheel brakes, a technology licensed by Rolls-Royce, which significantly enhanced its handling and braking performance, a rarity in the 1920s. What truly distinguishes this H6C is its extraordinary body. Instead of using traditional aluminum or steel panels, Dubonnet commissioned Newport Astra, a company specializing in aircraft fuselages, to construct the body using strip-planked mahogany. These thin wood strips were fastened with over 3,000 countersunk aluminum rivets. Despite its name, the body isn't made of actual tulip wood. Rather, the term refers to the elegant petal-like curvature and rich, reddish finish. This technique, borrowed from aeronautical design, made the car incredibly light for its size and era. Dubonnet entered the Tulipwood Torpedo in the 1924 Targa Florio, a grueling 540-kilometer race through the mountains of Sicily. Although the car didn't win, it performed exceptionally well given its unorthodox construction, earning widespread attention. Its durability during the race silenced skeptics who doubted the strength of the wooden body. Beyond performance, the car is a statement of opulence and design. Its interior featured fine leather upholstery, engine-turned aluminum dash panels, and elegant instrumentation, a blend of automotive luxury and aircraft functionality. The car's overall weight was kept under 2,000 kilograms, which significantly improved agility for its class. Over the decades, the Tulipwood Torpedo changed hands only a few times, always owned by collectors who recognized its historical and artistic value. Remarkably, it has never undergone a full restoration. Instead, it has been meticulously preserved in its original condition. Today, it appears at elite concours events, such as Pebble Beach, Villa d'Este, and Goodwood Festival of Speed, admired not just as a car, but as a rolling sculpture. The Hispano-Suiza H6C Tulipwood Torpedo embodies a singular moment in history, where aviation technology, race engineering, and artistic vision converged. It remains a symbol of daring creativity and remains one of the most fascinating survivors of the golden age of motoring.